Hi friends, it's Grimmelise. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you that I saw that there's a big rice cooker near in repair shop. No, let's see. Because everyone always tell me about this. Yeah, I don't think I will believe them. So maybe let's go there. Press. Whoa, it's true. Whoa, how big is it? Let's see what's inside. Now, let's open it. Ah, whoa, what is this? It's real. It's a new house. I never seen this before. And I can still watch TV here. Look how good it was. And there's still a bed. No, I never seen this before, but in real, this is not. I never use a Pops ID. I just make this case by myself. I made it by myself. So I'm gonna teach you how I make it. First, I just only some clicks and props. Like this cookie good. I just found it that there's a rice cooker like this, and I make it bigger prop. So it's a rice cooker. That's it, and I make it look bigger. And also it's big, like it's big. I only adjust it like this and this and this. And now that's it. I just only I just only put some things here, just like this wall. I just only found it in the primitive object, and just only make it bigger. Make it bigger like this. I just only make it bigger, and this white plus is make it look so long, like a top. And this time I don't know. I just only forgot it. Just please use it too. And now I just only put some that I found it in the furniture or in here, and I just only adjust it. There I found the bed too. And this one I just put some dining set here. Dining set, you can see it. And now I just put some laptop here. I found it in all. And now this is the laptop. And now I just only put some kitchen islands here. Kitchen island. I just found it in furniture again, and just find there is kitchen island. Now for the bathroom, I just only put wall again. Now there it is. I can't even walk. I said make it look so small. It's just only like this. I hope that we can now search it. And now I just only put some more where I self-perform in the primitive object. And now in this bathtub I found it in the furniture, and I found here one bathtub A and bathtub B. I just bathtub B, just click it. And the shower, I found it, the shower here in bathtub. You can see it, shower. Now I just put it in, and now this. Oh no, my head will be broken. It just I'm leaking. And now I will tell you how I make it. Just watch my... no, that's only Tony. I just use it in the primitive objects floor and make it bigger like it like this in the y plus or x plus to make it look longer and bigger and make it square, and that's it. And now I found wash basin in here. And now I can still find this wash basin in here. Now you can see it. Wash basin, and how I make that mirror, I still didn't do it. Now a wall and make it small and find it a thin, and found still how the hemisphere and make it small and put some material into a glass. Now maybe that's it. In this carpet one is I found it in all, and this is a illumi carpet, and this one in this circle one is a flower light. Look, right? And this one is this circle one is a board, illuminate light board. You can see it now. And now for the button, I'm gonna tell you that I put some button. You find it in the furniture again. You can see it. And this TV, I just found it's some TV rack and TV, and I just it both. And now I think this video will going to end now. Now maybe that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. It's amazing, right? This is a new update for me. But everyone maybe is using some ID. But the color of rice cooker is different. Now that's it. Bye. Before to follow my instruction. Now that's it. Oh, it's closed. Love it. Now guys, do you know that the dining set with my laptop is just only my study area, and in the dining set I also use it to where I am eating. That's it. Bye.